Hello. Right now, hello. So we're going to go through how to create services on Proseek. So we're going to go through how to create a recurring service like online coaching, in-person service like in-person posing, and a virtual service, so like remote posing or a virtual consult. So the first step is to click Add Service here. Hello. So today we're going to go through how to create a service on Proseek. So the first step is to go to your account and schedule and services. So we're going to go through how to create a recurring service, an in-person service, and a virtual service. So the first step is to click Add a Service. This is something you only have to do once, and once they're listed here, then you just keep your availability updated. So the first thing we're going to do is create a recurring service. So let's put online coaching, service description, weekly check-ins, whatever. You put in all the details. Service type, this is a virtual service because it's online. It does not require scheduling, the monthly option, and we just simply put the price and click Save. And then we'll see it right there. Next, we will do a virtual one. So virtual posing. So this will be virtual as well. It does require scheduling. And then we can pick a 30-minute block or a 60-minute block. So let's do 30 minutes and set our price and click Save. Next, we'll do an in-person posing. This one we will click in-person for service type. Requires scheduling, 30 minutes, and we'll set a price. And same thing. And we'll do one more. Let's do a virtual consult. All right, so next we go down to scroll to our availability, click the day, and we enter our availability. So here are all the services we've created that are virtual. So we pick the ones we want our customers to be able to select from. And we're available from, let's say, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Make sure your time zone is correct. We can repeat this either every weekday, we can repeat this daily all 7 days, or we can repeat this every weekly on the same weekday. So like every Tuesday until July 1st. Hit create, and that will update our availability on our calendar. And we do the same thing for in-person, and that is how you set up your services and availability.